sing happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mama Lee. Mama Lee. And a happy birthday. Mama Lee. Happy birthday. And I love you. You say I love you. You say I love you.
I love you.
I miss you. I miss you.
I miss you. Cutter.
You sing first. You sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You sing. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mama Lee. Mama Lee.
Cutter.
You say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Te. Happy birthday. Thank you for always sharing your blessings to us. Kamaduhan ni Uncle. And karon kay dili naman nagapabata, nagatigulang na. So always take care of yourselves. And yeah, exercise kay medyo murag ni buyag-buyag jud kadira murag nakaangay jud. So yeah, thank you again and happy birthday. Wish you all the good health and good life and take care always.
Happy birthday, Ma. Unta, maminaw na ka, mag-eat healthy, exercise para more birthdays to come, and looking forward for more future. Mo nang be healthy gyud kamuduhan ni Papa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tay. Be healthy always. May miglamaw to, be.
Happy birthday, ate. Wish ko lang sa'yo na maging mabuti ang iyong kalusugan dyan. Ingatan mo palagi sarili mo. Huwag kang masyadong magpapagod sa trabaho. May time ka din na magpahinga. At enjoy nyo lang ang life nyo dyan ni Papa Lo. Mag-unwind kayo. At pag may makita ka dyang kano, charot lang. Yan lang. Tsaka, happy birthday, ate. More birthdays to come and good health sa inyong dalawa dyan ni Papa Lo. And happy birthday, ate. We miss you. Love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Mama Le. Ingat mo drop it minti.
Umudong.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, good health, good work, and also beautiful. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday na unsa.
Hey! Happy birthday.
Birthday man nimo karon. Happy birthday. Nya ampo sa Ginoo nga baskog ang lawas. Nya amping mo kanunay diha kay naarma mo sa layo. God bless you. And more health. Good health. Sumba-sumba mo diha, exercise po diha.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mama Lee. Keep safe always and more blessing to come, and share your blessings always, and don't keep stressed. Just do dance on TikTok. Always pretty. Happy birthday.
More birthdays to come, o more gwapa pa pod, o more blessing, o more money. Happy birthday. God bless to all.
Happy birthday, Mama Lee. Akong wish sa imo na happy ka perminti sa imong birthday. Thank you sa cake imong gihatag sa ako sa kong birthday. Thank you, Mama Lee. I miss you. I love you. Happy birthday.